Looking rich is all about having good confidence. And yes, certain accessories and clothes can definitely make it look like you're killing it. Welcome back to another episode of How to Look Rich on a Budget. And today we're going to look at accessories that'll make it look like it's raining money for you. Starting off with glasses. And no, not sunglasses, just a regular pair of frames. They need not be numbered. All you need to do is just put them on. There's something about glasses that just oozes sophistication. And you need not buy an expensive pair of frames. You need to make sure that they suit your face. And the general perception is that a dude wearing glasses is often smart. And let's face it, smart people are often rich. Or you know what time it is? It's time for you to make a change. Guys, stop going for big chunky dial watches, and even if you can afford the brand, try to go for watches that actually suit your wrist. I have thin, tiny wrists, so the dial of my watches are smaller and the strap is always thinner. Try to go for minimal looking watches that have very little branding because people will not be able to guess what brand it is, and minimal looking watches always ooze sophistication. You can go for ones like I did. This is from Daniel Wellington, or you can choose this one from Timex, which is again minimal looking one and super sophisticated. So you're the dude who loves wearing jewelry, but there are numerous options that are not going to hurt your wallet. Case in point, a simple ring like this one. The idea is to go minimal and not choose jewelry that has too much detail and intricate work on them. And I still see a lot of my bros rocking backpacks. Guys, you need to stop doing that, especially when you're traveling. Instead, opt for a nice duffel bag like this. This bag is amazing. One, because you can fill your clothes, your shoes, your laptop, whatever you want, and you're ready for your trip. Second, there's just something about a weekender bag like this that screams maturity and shows that this dude is well put together. And if you get one that is minimal looking with a nice color, it will go with a whole range of your outfits and make you look sophisticated and loaded. I hope you guys found this helpful. I'll see you later.